So while you do that, it's time to enjoy some new music from Kat and Wolf from their latest album 10,000 AD. Right now, a song called Where's the Post Office?
Sio visilikure ukusuka lapana ukusuka lapa maybe omitted isite shisikure ukusuka isite shisikure ukusuka lapana lapana Sio visilikure ukusuka lapana ukusuka lapa maybe omitted isite shisikure ukusuka isite shisikure ukusuka lapana lapana could be Yebolikude. The answer could be Yebolikude. The answer could be Yebolikude. Yebolikude. La Pana. La Pana. La Pana.
So if you two are wondering where the post office is now, I guess we all know. No, I still don't know. So balance me quick here. Me and the rest of South Africa are trying to figure out what it is that you were saying. What are the lyrics there? What language is that?
I think it's Zulu because we can't speak Zulu, but we wanted to learn Zulu, so we bought ourselves a book to learn Zulu, but it's a book for Zulu and Xhosa. And that is the part in the book where you learn to ask where the post office is, and we also just kept the English instructions in there for good measure.
Fantastic stuff. All right, that's Kat and Wolf for you. Let us know what you thought about that performance on our Feel Good Breakfast Show's social media platforms. We'll be back after a very short break. Yeah, La Pana.